Hi everyone, this is Swaroop. Welcome to Electric Power Syrup channel. This channel is associated with the textbook Electric Power Systems with Renewables Simulations using PSSE that I co-authored with Professor Mohan from University of Minnesota. One of the highlights of this textbook is that it comes with a live web page and this YouTube channel where we will frequently add new content. What is this channel about? We will be sharing video tutorials on how the various simulation files were created for the examples in the book from scratch. Using different softwares can sometimes be daunting with thousands and thousands of options. The goal here is to focus on a small set of options that we would need and make your life easy to transition to use these modern day power system tools. Initially, the focus is to cover PSSE software, MATLAB, and Python programming wherever applicable. And later, we may add other resources like PowerWorld, PSCAD, etc. The simulation files which I will be using in these tutorials will all be available for the viewers through a live web page that is associated with the textbook. As I was saying earlier, I will share that web page in the upcoming videos, and we hope these tutorials will be helpful in your studies, research, or your day-to-day jobs. We do encourage engagement and constructive feedback for now through comments, but we will soon have an additional medium for discussions such as Discord server. We are still in discussions what's the best way. If you do like these videos, please don't forget to press the like button and hit subscribe to stay tuned with the upcoming content. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon again. Take care. Bye.